Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up your Wi-Fi repeater 2 using the WPS method. By connecting directly through WPS, you can quickly expand your Wi-Fi coverage without needing the Mi Home app. We'll show you how to pair the repeater with your router, where to place it for the best signal strength, and tips to ensure a smooth setup. Boost your Wi-Fi signal effortlessly and extend connectivity throughout your home or office with this easy guide. So let's start the setup process. Plug the Mi Wi-Fi repeater 2 into a USB power source. The LED light should blink orange, indicating it's ready for setup. Now download the Mi Home app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the app, create an account if you don't have one, and log in. In the Mi Home app, tap the icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Select Mi Wi-Fi Repeater 2 from the list of devices. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list that appears, and enter the network password when prompted. The app will connect the repeater to your Wi-Fi network. The LED on the repeater should turn blue if the connection is successful, indicating it's ready to use. Unplug the repeater and move it to an area between your router and the areas with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it back in, and the LED light should turn blue again, confirming it's connected. Use the Mi Home app to check the repeater's connection status and signal strength. If the signal is weak, try moving the repeater closer to the router until you find an ideal spot. After setup, the Mi Wi-Fi Repeater 2 will automatically reconnect to the network whenever it's powered on in the range of your Wi-Fi network. By following these steps you can easily do the TP-Link Re 700X extender setup. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.